call. And the igniter on the grill is not sparking. So it's either the battery or I gotta go buy a new igniter, which I probably gotta go buy a new one because those things don't last maybe a year or two. This is a Weber grill. And I'm screwing out the battery. Basically the battery's dead. Replaced the battery and got her running. See, that was an easy fix. The igniter in the grill wouldn't work. It's a Weber grill. All I had to do was switch the battery. Easiest thing in the world. You know, people on the 4th of July, I wasn't available and the grill wouldn't start, so they just had to switch the battery. Something so simple. But people don't know how to do that stuff. That's why they call the handyman. That's why they call the maintenance man. Oh yeah.